Hello and welcome to another lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to learn more about spheres. The spheres have formulas which look slightly complicated, but it's very easy and straightforward to use. It's just to apply the formulas as long as you know the radius. Let's check our problem of today. The diameter of the great circle in a sphere, or the diameter of the sphere, is 4.8 centimeter. Let's calculate the volume and the surface area for this solid. Let's start by sketching the sphere. The greatest circle would be the largest circle that we can fit inside. Or you can think about making up a circle and rotating, and the rotation would look like a sphere if you do really fast. So this is the great circle. In here we have also the radius, but it's given in this example the entire diameter, and diameter is 4.8 centimeter. First thing that we need to do is to find out the radius. So the radius is half of the diameter. That is 4.8 divided by 2, which gives us 2.4 centimeter. Remember, only centimeter. This is one dimension, only the length. Now that we know the radius, we only need to plug in to find out the volume. The volume in a sphere is 4/3 times pi times radius cube. Don't mix them up with a square, alright? Very often we have many formulas with square when it comes to circles, and when we start working with spheres we also have formulas with square, but this one is a cube. Think about volume is a 3-dimension, and that's why you're gonna see a cube in here. Let's plug all our values. And the only thing left for us is to plug in the calculator, and the answer is 57.90583, and rounding to 2 significant digits. And this time the next one is a big digit, 9, so we're going to round it up to 58 cubic centimeter, and that is the volume of a sphere. Next, let's calculate the surface area of a sphere. And we only use the word surface area since we have a single face. The formula is pi times radius square. The only thing left for us to do is to plug the values in. The radius is 2.4. So let's take the calculator. 2.4 square times pi and times 4, and that's gonna give us 72.382294. Rounded to 2 significant digits, we're gonna get 72 square centimeter, and that is the surface area of a sphere. Spheres are shapes that are quite complicated to understand where the formulas come from, but once you know and you can distinguish which formula is used for what, remember, is square. The formula with the square you're gonna use for the area, and the formula for the cube you're gonna use for the volume. Leave in the comments down below which shape you want to see next, and thanks for watching.